And that's the thumbnail right here. We've got Donruss football, we've got Chronicles, and we've got Score. Hey guys, welcome to TRD Cards, and check it out. We're going to open up 2, 4, 5 packs of cards in today's video. Kind of random pack opening, but the Donruss football 30 card value pack. Going to open 2 of those. Find 4 exclusive press-proof blue parallels per pack on average. On average. Okay, and then Chronicles. You've seen these before. 15 pack, 15 cards, and then the 40 card value pack of Score right here with Pat Mahomes. Okay, so let's get into this right now. Okay, so here we go. Let's start it off. We've got our stands back here. Hopefully we get some good cards. We'll put up there 4 exclusive press-proof blue parallel. Okay, Donruss, and man, this pack was bent. I'm glad this wasn't like, holy. look how bent that is. That is Ryan Fitzpatrick. Okay, Donruss 21. Got a couple in here. It looks pretty good. Okay, here we go. Nick Chubb for the Browns. Having a good season so far. All right, Charles Woodson. Okay, then we got Khalil Mack. Jalen Mills. The words or the letters and names on here. Marcus Peters in the silver. A little bit tough to read. Daniel Hunter. Okay. Chris Godwin. Bucks. Then we got a Drew Brees. Flip that around. Drew Brees, nothing. Another one's flipped around. I guess they're going all the other way though. Okay. Tyler Boyd, Bengals. Jerome Baker, Dolphins. Robbie Anderson. Leonard Floyd. Russell Gage. Joey Bosa. Rob Gronkowski with a mask on. Okay, Rob Gronkowski with the mask. Joe Schobert. Jags. We're going to flip all these around here. Let's see. Let's go to here. Okay, we got an Aaron Rodgers. It's a good card to keep, even though it's a basic. Alright, Tua with a mask on. I'm not so sure I like these cards with masks on players. That's kind of dumb. Alright, then Zadarius Smith for the pack. Alright, Travis Kelce. Alright, Shaquille Griffin. Henry Ruggs. Then our rated rookie, Rashawn Slater. Rashawn Slater, rated rookie. Alright, Cornell Powell. Wide receiver, rated rookie. Rated rookie, Joe Tryon. Then our first blue, press-proof, Myles Garrett. Myles Garrett for the Browns. Okay, what do we have here? We have DeAndre Swift, press-proof in blue. Okay, Ezekiel Elliott, press-proof blue. Okay, rated rookie, press-proof Christian Darrisaw. VTech. White hot rookies, Rashad Bateman for the Ravens. Okay, and then a Super Bowl kid reporter card right there. Okay, all right, very cool. So that is what Donruss, the basic packs are. Okay, here with the Chronicles. Okay, Prestige. All right, Jalen Waddell, Devontae Smith, 2021 rookie in book. Micah Parsons, Penn State. All right, Prestige. Elijah Molden. Okay, Kadarius Toney. Javonte Williams. Zach Wilson. All right, Chuba Hubbard. All right, Justin Fields. Playing for those Bears. Looks like we got a shiny card come up. Terrace Marshall Jr. And then a Zach Wilson. Nice. Nice little rookie card. That's a nice one. Travis Etienne in the Recon. Super cool. Okay. And the Flux Golden Gophers Rashad Bateman. And a select Chuba Howard. rookie card. Very nice. Okay. Got some good pulls out of there. Alright, let's move on here to the SCORE 40 pack. Okay, looks like we got a few here. A couple red parallels, looks like Dan Marino, Marquise Brown, Jameson Crowder, Travis Kelce, Darius Slayton, Stephon Diggs, Jason Kelsey, Danny, Calvin Ridley, Nathan Harris, Odell Beckham. Was there? No, there wasn't. Okay, Jonathan Taylor. Okay, Tryon Matthew. This is a 106 out of 225. Okay, Fletcher Cox, a red parallel. Okay, another red, Adrian Peterson. Then we got the red. All right, Khalil Mack, Mike Singletary, Brian Urlacher, the 3D red. That's pretty cool. Okay, Nick Bosa, game face, SCORE team, Julio Jones, rookie card, Justin Fields, next level stats, Justin Herbert, 3D card of Troy, Jack, and TJ, SCORE team, Drew Lock. Alright, Aaron Rodgers, next level stats, another 3D card, SCORE team, Cooper. Alright, Howie Long, SCORE team, or game face, SCORE team, Justin, Trevor Lawrence, collegiate champions. Alright, Shatarius Tutu, we got rookie cards here. Dwayne Eskridge. Okay, Kylan Hill. Jabril Cox. Tylan Wallace. Trey McKitty. Then Jalen Guyton. Kendrick Bourne. Aaron Donald. Traquan Smith. Tyler Lockett. And Hunter Renfrow. Seen that card a bunch of times. Okay, very cool. Now let's do one more of these Chronicles here. One more of these Chronicles. Okay, T-Law on the throwback, Donruss. Okay, followed by Travis. Okay, another Trevor. Okay, Jamie Newman, Mac Jones, Kyle Pitts, Kwity Paye. Alright, Najee Harris, Micah Parsons. Alright, Jalen Waddell, Kyle Pitts. Alright, Kenneth Gainwell, Illusions. Super cool rookie card right there. Okay, then we have Recon card, Rashad Bateman. These are nice. Okay, graded rookie, Patrick Surtain II from Alabama. Very cool. And then the Flux, Jamar Chase. Nice. Okay. Awesome. Let's move on to this last pack. Alright, 30 card value pack, Donruss. Make sure you leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think some of these cards we've pulled. Hit that subscribe button, notification bell as well. Alright, here we go. With a lot of the base. Alright, Jalen Hurts, Tariq, Kenny, Mark Andrews, AJ Brown. Alright, Chad Johnson, Zane Howard, Brian Burns, Johnny, Michael Vick, Falcons. Okay, Mike Williams. And we're going to all the backwards cards. Oh, we're going to do one rated rookie, Patrick Turner. Patrick Turner rated rookie. Oh, and we got one more. Alright, Sam Ellinger. Quarterback rated rookie. Nice, okay. Back to some of these base here. Another Tua. Alright, Zadarius Smith. Travis Kelce. Alright, Shaquille Griffin. Okay, Henry Ruggs. Joey Schobert. Tom Brady in the Pats uniform. It's interesting. This is a late print. Marquez Stevenson, rated rookie. In the blue, press proof, Russell Wilson. DeAndre Hopkins. Nice. Duran Matthew, press proof Chiefs. All right, Jalen Phillips, linebacker. Brady rookie. And the champ is here, Devin White. Okay, Devin White, champ is here series. CIH-12. So I'm not sure how many of those there are, but it's pretty cool. Okay, had some good polls. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you're liking from these polls. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next episode.